All right, welcome everyone. Today I got the big three in their Hoth gear. Of course, that's Luke, Leia, and Han, of course. And this was got some pretty good discoloration on these. Get this guy, and these get really dingy. Is it gonna? I don't know if we're gonna be able to clean. Coming off a little bit. I am definitely going to find some really mild soap to try and do some better work on these than just the water and rubbing at it with a paper towel. But it knocks the loose stuff off anyway. But yeah, I can't remember if Luke came with a lightsaber or not in this form. Maybe. This is in the Empires when they went to the separate lightsaber, which is, a little yellow piece of plastic that he stuck in his hand. And I know they had the one with in his Bespin gear, but I can't remember if there was because he wasn't officially trained at this point, so I'm not sure, even though he did use it in the Wampa scene. Yeah, Leia is. I'm not sure what I did get these guys all dirty like this. I mean, it's like I left them alone for 40 years or something. When I first started going through these toys and just seeing all this old stuff, I couldn't, I remember playing with it, but I was just amazed how much of this stuff I had and how much of it I kept. And, I'm finding it amazing how many pieces I've got that I don't have the rest of the character. I found Wicket's headdress, but no Wicket yet. Of course, Han being the darker one, or Han, he's not showing the dirt as bad. And if I'm not mistaken, this one's actually my brother's. I think I just sort of inherited it. Back then, when kids got to a certain age, the toys just stopped being played with and went on their separate way. It wasn't like today where you can just be an adult and collect toys. Granted, the toys for adults are generally more expensive than I could ever afford as a kid. But anyway, that's the big three. Tomorrow, get a little lower. Tomorrow is going to be sort of a preview for Saturday. Based on what I put up tomorrow, you may be able to guess what I'm going to do Saturday. But at any rate, that's these guys. So thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because I'm going to keep going for a while yet. They're all... Ooh, I didn't get the back of her legs. I don't think. Anyway, I'll put these up in storage and dig up the next batch. Thanks for watching and bye. I don't know if I said that yet or not.